Hello everybody, welcome to the Successfactors demo. Let me begin with my introduction today. My name is Ramya and I have 9+ years of experience in SAP, and in the past 2.5 years I have been working on SuccessFactors. I have experience on performance and goals management, compensation management and employee central. This is a brief introduction about myself, and let's begin with today's demo. Let's see the agenda for today. We'll be seeing what is a cloud. We'll also have we'll understand the history of success factors, its capabilities, SAP strategy for SAP, HCM, and success factors downline. Various deployment models in success factors, the integration options available. We'll also see what is the Atom Sphere integration, the list of the products in the BizX suite. We'll see how security is handled in success factors. We'll understand what is the role of a success factors consultant. We'll see how do we go about this if certification. Then we'll see what are the systems available. What are the systems we have in success factors. We'll quickly see the list of customers, and then we'll also discuss about the career prospects in success factors, and the question and answers in case you have any. Now let's understand what's a cloud. What is a cloud? Basically, in cloud computing, a software or servers would be hosted remotely, and we'll be accessing those servers via internet. SaaS is one of the concept which is used in this cloud. SaaS stands for software as a service, and in this we'll be able to access the software and all its functions remotely via internet. Let's understand this by an example, and we all will be accessing our email, right? For example, Gmail or Yahoo Mail. Whenever we'll try to access our account, we'll simply enter the URL in the browser, and afterwards we'll be giving our username and password, and our inbox appears. And we'll be able to see all our mails right from the date we have created our account. And no way we are storing our mail data in our hard disks and pen drives and taking them every time with us. Everything is stored in our email. And where is this data stored? And this data is stored in the cloud, and here in this case will be for Gmail we'll be using the service provided by Google, and then as a customer we are using its services without paying any charge or premium. Likewise, in success factors we will be using HCM cloud software via internet, and we'll be paying a annual subscription fee for utilizing their services. All the customers, they would be using the success factor servers which are hosted in the cloud without having to invest anything in the maintenance of these servers. All the upgradations also would be free of cost. Only investment would be we have to pay the subscription fees based on the number of users who would be using this service. This has got lot of advantages in it. Like the first and foremost would be we need not install any or maintain any of the servers. This way, the total cost of ownership would be very low. And this is purely pay as you use subscription based licensing model. This supports multi tenancy, which is a single application server will be used by multiple customers, and each customer would be called as a tenant. This is location independent, that is, we can access from anywhere provided we have the internet connection. And the upgradations, whatever would be free of cost and they would be automatic. Let's look at the history of SuccessFactors. SuccessFactors is a cloud-based global leader in BizX software, and this was started in 2001, which is headquartered in San Francisco, USA. Even before SAP has acquired SuccessFactors has acquired many other companies which were providing HCM solutions for other, I mean, each of its modules like Inform Business Impact, which is a workforce analytics and workforce planning service provider, and then CubeTree, which is providing solution for social networking platform. Then UCalc, Jambox, Plateau System, Jobs to Web, and Jobs to Web is like a recruitment management solution provider. And with these acquisitions, SuccessFactors has emerged as a market leader in the field of cloud. I mean, all these companies were in where they were strong in their own area, and by acquiring all these companies, SuccessFactors has become a leader in providing the solutions for all each of the module. And now SAP has acquired SuccessFactors for 3.4 billion dollars in December 2011. By the time of this acquisition itself, SuccessFactors had more than 3,500 customers in 168 countries, with more than 15 million users using their application in 34 languages. Let's understand the capabilities of SAP and SuccessFactors. As you know, SAP is a global leader in providing core HR solutions since past 40 plus years, providing support to 51 country-specific payrolls used by more than 15,000 HCM customers across the globe. And likewise, SuccessFactors is the global market leader in providing cloud talent management solutions since past 10 plus years, used by more than 3,500 customers with more than 15 million users in 168 countries, which is supported in more than 34 languages. And this is implemented by one of the customer with more than 20 lakh employees strength. By this, we can understand how strong SuccessFactor is in the cloud market. This was never done by any other cloud so far in the industry. And when both such global leaders merge and combine to work, we can imagine how the results would be. Today, every customer in the world want to go with SuccessFactors because it's a best HR software, and this has also been proved by the G2 crowd survey. If you look at the slide, SuccessFactors is ranked first in the market in terms of market presence, leaving beyond all the other cloud providers. Let us understand the strategy for SAP HCM and SuccessFactors down the line. With the acquisition of SuccessFactors by SAP, many of us got, I mean, all of us were in a confused state. I mean, many rumors were spread that HCM, would it be end of HCM, and then would SuccessFactor take its place? What would be the position of the consultant who are currently into SAP HCM? All such confusions were arousing in our minds. And to clear all these confusions and put an end to all the rumors, SuccessFactors has released their SAP SuccessFactors has released their business strategy in HR conference March 2012 itself. And if you look at the slide, all the highlighted modules, they would be seeing continuous innovations and I mean both on-premise solutions and cloud solutions. Like for example, uh, in SAP HCM on-premise solutions, they will continue to invest and develop on time, payroll, benefits applications, but non-highlighted modules like performance, goals, compensation, succession, recruiting, learning, these will not see any innovations as such, but support will be provided to the customers who are using them currently. and SAP would be continuing focusing on improvement of the cloud solutions as well as the all other solutions which are highlighted. This go forward solution clearly indicates that SAP will be continuing its focus to develop the core HR solutions along with investing on the cloud solutions. Let us understand the deployment models. SAP and SuccessFactors are providing two types of deployment models. One is standalone, the other one is hybrid. In standalone, it supports full HCM on-premise and full HCM in the cloud. In hybrid, core HR solutions will be on-premise and talent management solutions will be on cloud. Now let us understand the integration options provided by SAP. SAP basically provides three integration options, which is integration add-on, SAP NetWeaver PI, and the other one is SAP HCI, which is nothing but HANA Cloud Integration. The first one, the integration add-on, this works on the scenario which we are actually planning to work on. For example, a scenario can be employee data, compensation data, or recruitment data, anything. And based on this integration scenario, the corresponding program would be run to download the data onto a a flat file format like CSV or a text format. And this flat file will be encrypted using PGP encryption and would be FTP to SuccessFactors. And the details how to access their FTP site that would be provided by the SuccessFactors to the customer. And this integration option is free for all the SAP ERP HCM customers. The second option is NetWeaver PI, which is also called as Exchange Infrastructure previously. And this is a middleware integration solution which is used to integrate and transfer data between different SAP technologies. Around 35% of SAP HCM customers are already using this SAP PI in their existing system landscape. And this integration option would be free for all existing SAP PI customers. The third option is SAP HCI, which is HANA Cloud Integration. This is SAP's cloud-based middleware integration solution. This is an iPaaS, which is integration platform as a service. This is an integration solution which will be used for integrating a number of SAP's new cloud solutions with SAP on-premise solutions. The cost of this would be 7.5% of the subscription fee of the SuccessFactors application. Along with these three integration options, we also have another integration option, which is Dell Boomi AtomSphere integration. Here, using this integration options, customers can integrate any applications data, like between cloud to cloud or SaaS to SaaS, cloud to on-premise, or on-premise to on-premise. Here, we have to understand the terminology called Atom. An Atom is a lightweight dynamic runtime engine which holds the deployable process, and each process consists of three steps, which is an inbound connector to fetch the data from the source, and the second one is the um, series of actions that has to be performed on this, and the third one is the outbound connector to send the data to the destination. And here the the atoms are available in two ways. One is local atom and the other is atom in the cloud. This local atom is completely maintained by the customer. It has to be installed and it has to be installed on local machine locally and has to be maintained by the customer on premise. Atom in the cloud, this is here we no need to install, or we no need to maintain any software or hardware. The customer doesn't have any need to maintain any software here. Everything is taken care by the Dell Boomi data center. And as SuccessFactors had a pre-SAP acquisition partnership with Dell Boomi, the Boomi license is inclusive for customers who have SuccessFactors Employee Central license. Let's understand the products in the basic suite. In core HR solutions, we have Employee Central and Employee Central Payroll. In talent solutions, we have performance and goals, compensation, learning, recruiting, and succession. In HR analytics, we have workforce analytics and workforce planning. In social collaboration, we have Jam and mobile. When everything is stored in cloud, we have a question like how the security would be handled in cloud. How safe is our data, a customer's data in cloud? But that's we success factors is very particular and very confident in its security, and there's no surprise here. The total cost of investment in handling security in cloud by SAP is more than its investment, which is more than which it has invested in handling security on premise. It adheres to all the listed certification and security standards like EU Data Protection Directive, PCI Data Security Standard, ISO 27002. All these, it adheres to all these standards, and thus our data would be very secure and safe. Now let us understand the role of an success factor consultant. Unlike in SAP HCM, we do not have any individual consultant for each of our areas. Like we do not have an ABAP consultant, we do not have a basis consultant over here, we do not have a portal consultant here. All what we have would be a single consultant called success factors consultant. And as far as the development skills are concerned, there are none here. And all we can do is the configuration in success factors with the minimal knowledge in XML. And what extent we need XML and what we'll be doing, that we'll be covering in our course. Now let us understand how we do the certification in success factors. Success factors certification is not mandatory for a consultant, as many of the customers are preferring consultants with expertise and knowledge in success factors rather than certification. But then, if we are interested to do the certification, I'll let you know the procedure. First, we'll have to get the subscription to SAP Learning Hub, wherein we can do all these courses THR 80, 81, 82 through 91. And then we'll also have to have the subscription to certification hub, wherein we'll be able to take the certification in the courses we have completed through Learning Hub. Now let us see the systems available in SuccessFactors. We have two systems basically here. One is provisioning system, the other is instance. Provisioning is nothing but the back end of SuccessFactors. It is the place where a consultant can configure the settings like languages, language packs, payroll, applications like PMGM, recruiting, etc. We can enable and disable them. We can upload data models here. We'll see by logging into the system just now. Now. An instance is the front end of the SuccessFactors cloud application, and wherein we can configure the features like permissions, and then we manage our home page. We can add tiles, we can remove tiles, we can upload a company logo, we can modify themes. All these we'll be doing. Let's see this by logging into the system once. We'll log into the provisioning system and just look at how it would be. This is our provisioning system. We have logged into our instance. We can edit the company settings here. Company settings is the place wherein we'll have all the features like this. See, all the list goes on here. What all features are checked, those would be reflected in our front end system for instance. And what all are unchecked will not be available, obviously. So this is the provisioning system basically, and here we'll be able to create our admin user, also the very first user to the SuccessFactors instance. This is the place where we create the admin. We'll have to fill in the username, password, first name, last name, and the email. And when we click on the create admin, the admin user would be created. Let us log into the instance and see how it would look like. See, this is our home page. All these are called as tiles. We can configure them, we can manage what all tiles we wish to see on our home page and which all we do not. This is called as home drop down menu, and this is the name drop down menu here. We'll see all options later, but this is the way an instance would look like. See here, this is the report section, what we are seeing, all the things available. Now, quickly, let us check once what features we have enabled and how that is reflecting here. Let us choose analytics. See here, we have list views, spotlight views, and spreadsheet reports checked, and that is the reason we are seeing them here in the instance. Now, I'll uncheck one of them and then save it, and let's see whether it is reflected in our instance or not. See, all the enabling or disabling, whatever we do, we have to save it, because if we do not save, the changes will not be reflected. Let me log in back once again. Analytics is our section, right? Let me cross verify. Yeah, this did not get saved. Let me save it once again. Before making, I mean, we'll have to just cross verify whether our settings have been saved or. Let me verify. Yeah, spreadsheet reports is unchecked now. Now let me log out of the instance and log in back. Yeah, let us check now. It should be reflected within 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see whether it's been reflected or not. Yeah, see here, now the spreadsheet reports has gone just because we have unchecked it here. Now when we check it back, sorry, when we check it back and save, that would be automatically reflected in the instance. This is how we'll be enabling and disabling the features in provisioning system and working, configuring them in the front end system called instance. Let us continue with our presentation. Yeah, we have seen the front end and back end systems. SuccessFactors has got many customers, more than 3,600 plus customers now. Of them, these are few of the customers like Siemens, Nestle, Allianz, ING, Deutsche Bank, PNG, then Whirlpool, Kraft, Koch, Cooper. All these are few of the customers. Let's understand the career prospects in SuccessFactors. There are a lot of opportunities, plenty of opportunities in SuccessFactors because almost 500 plus customers are running on SAP SPM and SuccessFactors successfully integrated. As we can imagine the number of opportunities here. And almost every month there are 50 plus new hybrid implementations going on. So this is the right time actually wherein we move to this technology, learn and grab the opportunity and then pursue our career in SuccessFactors. Chances are many, so we'll have to grab the opportunity. Offers would be in our hand and we'll be in a position to choose the opportunities. Such are the opportunities in SuccessFactors. In case you have any question and answers, please feel free to email me at sapsftrainer@gmail.com. Thanks all of you for the for your time. Thank you. Bye.